My name is Steve Jollymore. This is my Pecha Kucha PowerPoint on choosing a heat pump for Vancouver Community College PIDP 3240 Assignment 3. Purchasing a heat pump for your home is a major investment that deserves a lot of consideration. There's a lot to think about. You must choose the heat pump type, air or ground source, and then the model that suits your budget and requirements. Most importantly, you must choose a good contractor. This can be difficult for some people. Ground source heat pumps use tubing installed in drill wells or buried underground to transfer heat from outside to the home. The advantage is that efficiency doesn't change as the outdoor temperature falls. The disadvantage is cost. Geothermal systems are typically more than 3 times the cost of air source systems. Air source heat pumps are a popular choice due to the availability of a wide range of equipment, the ease of installation, and lower installation costs. The disadvantage is that they lose efficiency when the temperature falls, and some have limitations to the amount of heat they could produce at colder temperatures. Conventional constant capacity systems are the least expensive to install, making them the most popular but not necessarily the best value. A lower installation cost isn't always your best value if the operating cost is substantially higher. Constant capacity heat pumps require auxiliary heat in cold weather. As the outdoor temperatures fall, less heat is available in the air while more heat is required to heat the home. Auxiliary heat is required to heat the home once the output of the heat pump equals the heat required for the home at that temperature. We call this the balance point. This must be calculated for every installation. Variable capacity air source heat pumps are more efficient than constant capacity systems. They typically do not require auxiliary heat, providing the complete heating requirement even at low outdoor temperatures. Some equipment works at -25 Celsius, some even colder. They can be installed as ductless, ducted, or a combination. Choosing a contractor can be a challenge. Many assume that all contractors play on a level playing field. Unfortunately, this is not always the case. There are reputable contractors who do not have the qualifications to size, select, or install heat pumps that have been getting away with doing it wrong for years. Some contractors don't have a high standard of quality, but still happy to charge top dollar. Be careful of perceived value, the thought that someone charging more is going to do a better job. Many are not meeting minimum standards. They do a lot of marketing, carry top brands, and some even have A+ ratings with the Better Business Bureau. Customers must ask the right questions to assure they are getting the best value in equipment and a quality installation. Customers must know which questions to ask to determine the good contractors from the bad. This video addresses these questions so you can make an informed decision. Often customers don't even know they've been a victim of a poor installation. It's been code requirement to do an F280 load calculation to size heating and cooling equipment since 2015 for new construction and retrofits. If your contractor says they have enough experience without calculations or use a square foot method, be careful. Demand code compliant calculations. If the system is being installed in a new home, insist on a certified system design such as Tech's Quality First. If your contractor says it isn't necessary, I would choose a different contractor. There are companies such as Ecolighten that provide a design service and include site inspections to ensure the installation meets the design. Don't rely on municipal inspections to determine if the system is installed correctly, as they often don't inspect the distribution system, focusing more on electrical and gas safety. This is starting to change in some municipalities, but most don't check. Ask your contractor to see copies of permits and inspections. Heat pumps may require higher airflow than other systems. Installing new equipment to an undersized duct system can cause many issues. Without the correct airflow, the system will not work at its peak efficiency and will likely have reliability issues. This can cause the system to use more energy, require frequent repairs, and have a shorter lifespan. If the system is being installed in an existing home, ensure the contractor does a duct evaluation. It can be done by counting the registers and looking at the accessible ductwork to ensure it's not undersized, and that good duct practices such as taper takeoffs, radius elbows, and turning vanes are used. The system must operate within the manufacturer's maximum pressure for the ductwork. This is called external static pressure. All manufacturers have a maximum rating. Exceeding this will cause excessive noise, increased operation costs, and affect the reliability and lifespan of the equipment. Sadly, many contractors don't even check. The wall penetration for the line set should be sealed to protect your home from weather, rodents, and insects. Some contractors seal the penetration with silicone or putty, which deteriorates quickly. This leaves your home vulnerable to damage. The vapor barrier should be sealed around the line set on the inside of the home as well. There are products with wall flanges and conduit for refrigerant line sets. They protect the insulation and make the job look more professional. The insulation won't break down and will retain its insulating value. There are products available to cover line sets that haven't been installed straight. They just Velcro on. The line set must be sized according to the sizing charts provided by the manufacturer. This will depend on the length of the line sets from the outdoor equipment, but also have limitations on heights between indoor and outdoor units. Each manufacturer has their own specifications that must be followed. Ensure your contractor follows these recommendations. Heat pumps are charged with enough refrigerant for a specified length of refrigerant line set. Constant capacity systems are often only provided with enough refrigerant for 15 feet of line set before refrigerant needs to be added. Variable capacity heat pumps usually have enough refrigerant for longer runs. Ensure the contractor charges the system to accommodate the extra length. Ensure your contractor has given you options of modern, cold climate, variable capacity equipment. Provides you with an F280 code-compliant load calculation for sizing. Completes a system design or duct evaluation, and always request copies of permits and inspections.